Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Arfat Muji from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am with chapter number 3rd. Chapter is diversity in living organisms. My topic in this chapter is class Aves, जिसमें बहुत सारे birds आते हैं. And class Aves birds में these are known as the flying vertebrates. And this is science 9th standard. Now in this class Aves में इनको commonly हम कहेंगे as per their function is concerned flying vertebrates. These are the flying vertebrates. They belong to the subphylum इनका आएगा वर्टेब्रेटा. और किस फाइलम से, मेजर फाइलम से बिलोंग करते हैं? फाइलम आएगा शाबाश कॉर्डेटा. को कॉर्डेटा में, फाइलम कॉर्डेटा में सब फाइलम होता है वर्टेब्रेटा, और इसी सब फाइलम से ये बिलोंग करते हैं. These are known as the flying vertebrates and these are the birds. Flying vertebrates, they have a unique property. They make flight. They are flying in the sky. Therefore, by their flying adaptation, flight adaptation, they have aerial habitat. इनमें एरियर हैबिटेट होता है. दैट मीन्स दे ऑलमोस्ट सर्वाइव देयर लाइफ इन द एयर, इन द स्काई. फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड इज दे हैव द प्रेजेंस ऑफ feathers. What is a feather? It is a exoskeleton. एक्सोस्केलेटन होता है वो हार्ड मटेरियल, हार्ड कवरिंग, हार्ड सब्सटेंस जो हमारे बॉडी के सरफेस पे होता है. और बॉडी सरफेस को ये एंडोस्केलेटन, इसका वर्क होता है टू कवर एंड प्रोटेक्ट आवर आउटर बॉडी सरफेस, एक्सटर्नल बॉडी सरफेस. एक्सोस्केलेटन, feathers are the exoskeletons. This is importance of this is importance of it is important properties in the class Aves. That means this feather is of two types. एक तो होता इनमें they have three types here I can say. One is the body feather. जिनको हम कहते हैं डाउन feather. Second one is the flight feather. जो फ्लाइटिंग में ये होते फ्लाइट feathers in tail and in wings. ये they help us them in flying, flight feather. And third one in this is the rectal feather. ये उनके टेल में होता है. This flight feather are associated with wings. Down feather, this is also known as the contour feather, and they are known as the covertus feather, covertus, covertus, and they are known as the rectrices. They are commonly known as the rectrices. This type of feather. Sorry, यहाँ पे tail, rectrices and covertus and contour. They are the down feather, body feather, which give them the warm and they help us in the flying adaptation. These types of feather are found in their tail part. There are the separate different variation in feather, and it is an important peculiarity in them. Third one is, if we see the external body morphology, एक्सटर्नल बॉडी मॉर्फोलॉजी की बात हम कर लेंगे इन पे. द बॉडी कैन बी डिफरेंशिएटेड इनटू हेड, body can be differentiated into neck, body can be differentiated into trunk, and body can be differentiated into tail part. That means their body external body morphology की बात हम कर लेंगे. Head में divide, there is a head, there is the neck region in their body, there is the trunk, there is the tail. It is a posterior portion, head is anterior. The third, now we will move ahead. They have a bony skeleton. Fourth one is they have presence of endoskeleton. It is in the endoskeleton, the bones are hollow, light, हल्के होते हैं, and spongy. It is adapted. Why they are so adapted? For flying purpose. Flying purpose के लिए इनमें जो endoskeleton होता है, they are of bones, and those bones are hollow, light, हल्के फुल्के, और अंदर से वो air filled होता है, spongy होता है, air filled, और हल्के इनके bones होते हैं, ताकि ये अपने आप को adapt कर सके flying purpose में. We move ahead in this. Fifth point is, in aves, birds, fifth point is respiration. इनमें जो होता है respiratory, they have respiratory system, and there is a lung system. Lung system इनमें जो होता है, इनमें क्या होता है लंग सिस्टम में, हम देखते हैं they have lung sacs होते हैं. अगर इनमें ऐसे lungs होते हैं, इनमें they have the presence of lungs, pair of lungs, and in the pair of lungs they have the trachea. This trachea have the windpipe. There is a vocal cord in them. This is the vocal cord. Voice box. Birds have highly developed vocal cord. याद रखिए. They have the bronchi. And with these low pair of lungs, there is associated lung sacs. इनमें external lung sacs होते हैं. They have the presence of, दो lungs के बावजूद भी इनमें क्या होते हैं, इनको हम कहते हैं lung sacs. SAC. These are lungs. 1, 2, 3. There are number of lungs. आपको के सर इतनी जगह कहाँ है? इनमें जो बॉडी कैविटी होती है, lung sacs, they are with lungs. These are the lungs, left right lung. They are the trachea, windpipe, there is a vocal cord, and vocal cord leads to the buccal cavity. Here it is the buccal cavity. Here have the lung sacs. ये body cavity में जगह लेती है lung sacs इनमें. Respiration is there. They have respiratory system in birds. और ये lung sacs इनको buoyancy means जिस तरह हम पानी में छलांग मारते हैं, वो wear air tubes, air jackets, ताकि हमें buoyancy मिले. we float on the surface. In the same way, these lung sacs have additional function. They help us, they provide them buoyancy so that they can remain float in the air. यहाँ पे हम 6th पॉइंट के बाद हम कर लेंगे एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. इनमें क्या होता है? they have present, there is a pair of kidneys, there is the ureter, pair of ureter kidneys, and there is no urinary, इनमें यूरिनरी ब्लैडर नहीं होता. जिस तरह हमारे यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का क्या काम होता है? यूरिन को कलेक्ट करना, फिर जब चाहे तो हम एक्सपेल कर सकते हैं वो यूरिन, मगर इनमें यूरिनरी ब्लैडर नहीं होता. जो तब इनमें जो यूरिटर होता है वो यूरिन जो होता है इनमें सेमी सॉलिड यूरिन होता है. सेमी सॉलिड यूरिन बनता है इनमें, याद रखिए. वो किसमें? क्लोका. इनमें क्लोका होता है. इनमें क्लोका होता है. क्लोका एक पार्ट होता है, ओपनिंग होते हैं. वो यूरिटर सीधे क्लोका में पोर डाउन होता है. उसमें वो क्लोका ऐसा एक ओपनिंग है, ऐसा सैक लाइक ओपनिंग है जिसमें ये यूरिटर, ये जो अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, इट इज अ यूरिटर. ये यूरिटर जो है, ये यूरिटर इट इज अ ट्यूब विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द किडनीज. यहाँ पे कोलोकल अपर्चर होता है. कोलोका ऊपर से फिर इसकी अपनी ट्यूब होता है, बाहर एक्सपेल होता है. वो इसको ऑर्डिनरी इनको बार बार यूरिन जो बॉडी से निकलना शुरू होता है. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, कोई यूरिन स्टोरेज का इनका एडेप्टेशन नहीं है. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे एलिमेंट्री कैनाल की, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल वो कंप्लीट है. Alimentary canal is complete alimentary canal with mouth and anal part. Anus part, there is the anus opens in the cloaca, and there is a complete alimentary canal, and there is the, आपने सुना होगा कि बर्ड्स में होता है क्रॉप ग्लैंड that is associated with this alimentary canal. आगे चले बर्ड्स में हम. बर्ड्स में 7th पॉइंट, दे आर टेट्रापोडस वर्टेब्रेटस. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? दे हैव टू पेयर ऑफ शाबाश limbs. One pair is four limbs. They are modified into shabash wings for flying purpose, and another is shabash, another pair is hind limbs. They are for walking. कुछ पानी में aquatic animal wading, they show the wading, walking, wading, perching. कुछ टहनियों पे बैठते हैं, perching. और limbs, hind limbs के बहुत सारे काम है. Some birds are walking when they are on ground surface. They are, अगर ये aquatic होगा तो उनमें क्या होते हैं? उनके hind limbs में पाया जाता है. They have in the hind limbs they have webbed feet which help us in them wading or in the swimming. अगर इनमें ऐसे hind limbs में webbed feet है, then they also have swimming purpose. Perching, टहनियों पे बैठे हैं तो उसमें grip पकड़ लेते. They have various purpose. Four limbs are important property in them is very important property that their four limbs are modified into wings. Wings is for flying. उड़ने के लिए इनमें modified. Some are the flightless birds. There are the small examples. Very little example. Certain examples are to seen. Some are the flightless birds. As we kiwi जो होता है, ostrich, their wings are not so modified. that means they are walking, just walking on the ground surface. जो birds के flightless birds, some are the flight birds, they fly in the skies. And we can say here the अगर ये tetrapod है, tetrapod vertebrates है, tetrapod, इनमें जो hind limbs होते हैं, hind limbs, उनमें hind limbs they bear the claws. It is also important property in them, they have claws and claws, they have claws. And जो feet होते हैं इनमें, hind limbs में जो feet and feet bear claws, जो feet होते हैं they are covered scales, उनमें scales होते हैं. जो इनके जो पैर होते हैं they have, आपने देखा होगा इनके जो feet होते हैं उनमें scales होते हैं, and scales are example of exoskeleton. They are example of exoskeleton. I talk about their body is divide up. इनके body में scales नहीं होते हैं, जैसे कि reptilia में हमने देखा they have scales on their bodies, but they don't have scales, their body is covered with feather. And we can say that here अगर हम circulatory system की बात हम कर लेंगे, शायद 7वां पॉइंट circulatory system की बात हम कर लेंगे इनमें. Yes, they have four chambered heart, उसमें 2 auricles होते हैं, शाबाश, और 2 ventricles होते हैं, well developed. And there is the blood vessels, one is the arteries and or the other are veins, and they have a bed of capillaries, arteries, veins, capillaries, blood vessels, and they have heart, 4-chambered heart, and it is all the purpose for the circulatory system purpose के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, circulatory system के लिए इस्तेमाल. अगर हम reproduction की बात हम करते हैं, if we show for the 9th point I include the reproduction के लिए they have the they have reproductive system, they have male reproductive system and they have female reproductive system. Male have male reproductive system and female have female reproductive system. That means they have sexual dimorphism. That means they have separate sex. Means उनमें अलग अलग physiology अलग अलग है, male and there is a female. And when there is a separate, then they come for the mating purpose के लिए आते हैं. When they come for the mating purpose, there is a internal fertilization. There is internal fertilization, and in this female जो होती है female, वो lay करती है, female lays eggs, and they are the shelled eggs. अंडे उसमें होती है, कंडी होती है, shelled eggs. They are of made up of calcium, carbonate. आपने देखा ये वो birds होते हैं जो eggs lay करते हैं, they lay eggs but yolk laden eggs, उनके egg में yolk होता है. they lay, इनका जो egg होता है fertilized egg होता है, उस egg में क्या होता है, they are laden by yolk, and yolk कहा जाता है, ये stored food होता है to an embryo. When there is a embryo growth, embryogenesis, उस वक्त इसको development और growth करने में this yolk gives the energy during their embryogenesis. When there is the hatching of chick, then that gives the this becomes the source of food to some days. Fertilization is internal. If there is a if the female lays egg and there is a well parental care is seen in them, both male and female have a great care towards their young ones, and we can say these are the oviparous. What do you mean by these avas are oviparous? That means they are egg laying animals. एग लेइंग एनिमल्स आर, इसमें एग लेइंग एनिमल कौन, इसमें फीमेल होती है, फीमेल लेयर्स एग, फीमेल जो होते हैं वो एग ले। तो आगे चले हम एव्स में, इनमें तो इसमें बहुत सारे आपको एग्जाम्पल्स मिलेंगे। तो एग्जाम्पल्स ऐसा कुछ है, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आई विल मेंशन हियर दैट यू नो लॉट ऑफ बर्ड्स। आपने देखा होगा मतलब आसपास में गैलस दैट इज इट इज जो आपने चिकन जो फॉल होता है, चिकन नहीं लिखेंगे हम, फॉल लिखेंगे हम, जो फॉल होता है उसको हम गैलस, पैसर दैट इज द स्पैरो, it is the domestica. Then is the another example is the corvus, it is the crow. Then is the example is of milvus, it is example of kite, eagle. These are the common names, these are the scientific names, generic names on right here. Pavo, it is a peacock. Then is the another example is the bubo is the owl, it is the scientific bubo. Then is the name of the stacula, it is as the parrot, common name of. These are the various examples of the avers जो हम बहुत सारे birds भी है जिनके scientific names हैं, and they comes under the class of the aves birds. Now अगर हम डायग्राम की ओर जाएंगे, डायग्राम इनका ऐसा है, अगर हम एक्सटर्नल मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ बर्ड बनाएंगे यहाँ पे, this is the beak here, एक्सटर्नल मॉर्फोलॉजी अगर हम बनाएंगे यहाँ पे, इनमें देखिए they have their body is covered with a feather, and there is the flight feathers in the wings. In their wings they have flight feathers. tail region, I will here mention the name here. These are also the feathers are seen in their limbus. Here in the limbus they have feathers, and there is a eye in the center, and there is the nostril nares. This is the beak in them. There is a beak, we can say here. To say that here is the beak in them. There is a nostril, and also say they have the presence of feathers, body feathers, short type of feathers are seen in their body, short type of feathers. Let me take the time. Say it here. यहाँ पे भी इसके बहुत सारे feathers आपको मिलेंगे. The body is covered with a short feather. Their mouth. See it here is some here. What is this? This is the, I mean the this is the head region, HPAD, head region. This is the trunk region. This region is trunk, TRUNK, trunk. This region is trunk region. This is the tail portion, TAIL, tail. This, and this is the neck, NECK, neck. This is the wings. There is a pair of wings, or the four. This is the modified form of four limbs. They are adapted in the wings. Four limbs. These are the tail feather. They are known as the rectrices, tail feather, and they are known as the flight feather, coverts. And here is the contour feather. They are also known as the flight feather. They are seen in their wings. It is the external morphology of bird. External morphology of bird. And you can say they are covered with scales. The feet is covered with scales. This is covered with the scales. They have the presence of the scales, and this is the there is the toes. There is toes in claw. Here there are 5 in number. Here it is the external morphology of ये मैंने जनरल बर्ड बनाया मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ, ताकि बच्चे को आइडिया मिले of bird, external morphology of a bird. Then we will here see that it has a beak. I forgot to to say in the general characteristic features associated with the class A was that they have a beak. Beak is a modified form of teeth. Beak is without the teeth. They are, इनका जो jaws होते हैं, they are the modified form of the jaws. Beak. And there is a nostril. There is nostril. ये nostril, nares. They respire through. That is the internal ear. Internal ears. There is internal. This is the comb. If we can say the bird, some birds have comb, as is the chicken bird, duck, geese. They have the comb on their head comb. This is the wings have feather. These feathers are larger in size, and there is a contour feather here. Contour feather. I will name it here. About the feathers. A covert feathers. They are present in the wings. Flight feathers. Rectrices, they are the tail feather. This is commonly known as the feather. And there is a contour feather. It is a A, then it is B. It is contour feather. This is commonly known as the down feather, body feather. They keep the body warm and gives the boat shape to the body. You can say that often the birds are boat shaped. Laterally they are compressed and आगे वो नोकीले होते हैं, and the tail helps them in various purpose for changing the directions. And at the tail there is you can say there is a यूरोफाइजियम. that is in a यूरोफाइजियम. टेल के एक पोर्शन को कहा जाता है यूरोफाइजियम यहाँ पे. and the यूरोफाइजियम, and some bird it is very short, in some bird it is well developed, and there is a uropharyngeal gland. Uropharyngeal gland oftenly known as the oftenly known as the oil gland. Oil gland. This oil gland secretes. This gland is a exogenous gland. It secretes oil. आपने देखा होगा कभी कभार जो बर्ड होता है, अपने चोंच से जहाँ तक अपनी चोंच लेती है वहाँ से वो ऑयल निकाल के ऐसे मतलब फेदरों में लगाता है. दैट मीन्स दिस ऑयल मेक द फेदर वाटर प्रूफ बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑयल. जो ऑयल यहाँ पे सिक्रीट होता है इसमें यूरोफाइजियल ग्लैंड में, वो फेदर्स को वो लगाते, वो उनके कारण वो अपनी चोंच से लगाते. आपने देखा होगा डक, गीज जो होते हैं, ऑफन द hen other birds after they adapt themselves, they take the beak at the tip of the beak here, and they then get the oil. Then they this oil secreting here is applying their oil on the feathers. They make the waterproof. In this way they make the waterproof feather वो बनाते waterproof. This is the external morphology of a bird. I hope you understand about the class Aves. Thank you very much.